3D Lemon with some encased lemon slices acrylic nail art tutorial by Hotpinkzebrapolish. Hi everyone! In today's video I'm going to be showing you a complementary design to yesterday's. This one is something that, even though yesterday I said I like that one better, this is something that I would see myself wearing if I wore acrylic nails, but I don't, so it makes it difficult. But anyways, like I said in the last video, I found some Fimo cane slices and I just was playing around with them and I was really feeling lemony, I guess, I don't know. And so this one is little Fimo cane lemon slices that are encased in a pretty much clear nail, but there's some cover pink just to cover the nail bed area, make it look a little cleaner, and then a fun little 3D lemon. It's something that's pretty easy and quick and very summery, and I really like it. I hope you guys like it as much as I do, and don't forget to click subscribe to see all my future videos as well. So to begin with, I'm going to start and create that, like I said, just cover pink area over the nail bed, just so that your nail doesn't show through. If you don't mind that, you can do the entire nail in clear. That is perfectly fine. So just blend that down the nail so that, as you can see, it kind of just fades into nothing, and then apply a little layer of clear acrylic, a very thin layer of clear acrylic over the tip, and then pick up your Fimo cane slices and set them in there. So I have all of these pre-sliced so I don't have to deal with slicing them as I go because your acrylic would set too fast. And as you can see, I am putting them so they go off the edge of the nail. Make sure that you fill it in, and don't worry if they aren't all fitting in 100%. They can kind of go off the edge. It doesn't matter. But just make sure that you fill in as much as you want those lemon slices going up. And then you're going to want to encase them with more clear acrylic. So just sort of press the clear into all of the little gaps around the slices. And also make sure that you get the clear acrylic going all the way out to the edges too. So the lemon slices go out past the edge, but you need to make sure the acrylic goes at least to the edge and kind of just covers them up entirely. And then you're also going to need to just put a little encasement layer over the cover pink area and just blend it down so that the nail is nice and smooth. So now I'm going to be filing the nail into shape, and I'm going to start with a nice hand file, and I'm going to get rid of all of those little bits of lemon that are hanging onto the edges. So just get rid of that, really file, make sure that the free edge is nice and sharp. And then with my e-file, I'm going to be thinning out the entire nail. Now I'd really recommend using an e-file. I know I personally I actually haven't been using an e-file for very long, comparatively, like a year and a half or so. And before that, I'd hand file everything. And this is a design that I would definitely recommend having an e-file for, because anytime you encase something bigger like these Fimo cane slices, there's always more filing to do. So then I just use a finer bit to get rid of any scratches the first one may have left behind. So then with yellow acrylic, I'm going to be sculpting my lemon in that nail bed area. So I wanted there to be a 3D lemon. Like I said, I was feeling lemony or something. And so I'm going to just start, and I'm kind of building it up so it's got there's a little angle. So you can see the flat top part of the lemon and then the rind area coming down. So just kind of build it up so it comes to a peak, sort of in that, just to sort of help differentiate between the cut side of the lemon and the side of the lemon. So just like as you could see, I just kept kind of building up little layers to get that. And then with green acrylic, I'm going to be adding the leaves. So I'm using a nice bright green. I want everything to be bright and summery and, just kind of fun. So just add that little green leaf. I'm keeping all of this 3D stuff very simple, nothing too crazy, no details in the leaves really, just nice little leaf shapes. I wanted to keep this one very simple and yeah, nothing too crazy. I did add a little vein down the center of the leaves, but nothing else. And then with a lighter shade of yellow paint, I'm going to be painting in where the cut side of the lemon is, fill in the middle there. So just add that nice little oval with a lighter shade of yellow. Also, I didn't do this quite at this point, but also with that lighter shade of yellow, you're going to want to add little dots to add the texture onto the rind of the lemon. So just take a whole bunch of little dots and go over the little rind. And then with darker green, I'm going to be adding the little outlines on my lemon leaves. You could have also used black if you'd like instead of a dark green. I kind of like just the contrasting greens. It doesn't show up quite as well as if you had used a black, but it just keeps it a little bit softer. And then like I said, with that lighter shade of yellow, just kind of go over and add some dots. Lemon and orange and all that citrus, they have a nice little dimpled texture. So just adding those little dots kind of adds that. And then with white paint, you're going to want to just outline the flesh of the lemon and then use the little bits of white to add the different segments inside. So lemons and oranges, and once again, all of that citrus. If they're cut, you can easily see those nice little triangle segments. So add a little spot in the center of your lemon, and then from that spot radiating out towards the edge, just add little sunburst lines which will define those segments. Just like that. And then I'm going to be applying a layer of gel sealer over the background, so over all of those gorgeous lemons. I love the way that Fimo cane slices look encased in a nail, and it's one of those things I never did like, but I discovered in this design that I think they look amazing. So if you have them kind of stowed away like I did, bring them out again. It's fun to kind of rediscover those things that you used back when. So, and then apply a matte top coat over the 3D lemon, and that is it. I really do like this one. I hope you guys like it as much as I do, and please share any recreations with me on Facebook or Instagram. I would love to see them, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!